Welcome back, episode 2 of the K-Swap EG series. Now, before we get started, I want to show you guys something that actually came out super cool. If you guys watched the last episode, you saw Tim and I building a bunch of tables and a bunch of the stuff we got from BenPack. We finished it all up, moved everything. Check out the back wall. This is insane. We have so much space and so much storage. It's so empty right now because we still have to unpack all the tools and all the accessories that we have, but guys, we have an unbelievable amount of space. This is amazing. Of course, huge shout out to BenPack. They really helped us outfit this entire shop, and this is just the start. Tim, how freaking dope is it?
The shop is beautiful. It's gonna stay this clean all the time, right?
Oh man, well
besides today, because we got busy things going on.
Yeah,
today.
we'll do our best here. But yeah, we are continuing on with the EG build. Also, don't mind the background noise. We have the fan going right now. I'm very curious. Those of you watching, let us know in the comments, is the fan too overpowering? Do we need to turn it down, or is it okay? Because it gets hot in here.
I don't care if it's too overpowering. You're gonna have to deal with it.
You have to deal with it. But yes, before we get started, guys, I noticed over 50% of you guys watching this video right now are not subscribed. Do me a favor, scroll down just a little bit and hit that subscribe button. It takes 2 seconds. I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 10 a.m. Pacific time. You guys can always catch a video. Say all it 99.9% of the time, unless it has to be late or I'm traveling or something. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 10 a.m. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button before we get started, and let's go ahead and just jump right into it. All right, so really quickly, for those of you that might have missed the last episode, we are K24 swapping my Civic EG. Now, we went ahead and unboxed everything that we needed to yesterday to figure out what else we need to order. We have a good idea of it now, and today the fun starts. It's time to get this D16 out of the EG, and we're actually gonna find, there should be a hole in the block down here somewhere.
Yeah, there's a hole somewhere down there.
There's a hole somewhere down there that we're gonna get to see today. But yeah, plan of attack today is to get this thing ripped out, and we're actually gonna clean this color up because it is filthy. I am very, very excited for this. So first plan of attack here today is gonna be lifting up the car. We're gonna remove the axles, get those out of the way, and then I guess really just start disconnecting everything down here. Our first casualty in the new shop. Knuckle buster. All right, other than just really wanting to throw up because my finger's now ruined, everything's going really good. We've got both the axles out, we got all the intercooler piping out, the exhaust is out, all the accessory stuff is almost out. We just gotta go to the top of the engine, move the wiring, some of the brake components, and we should be able to loosen up the motor mounts and pull this thing out. Right, making moves. Tim Bro's got the motor mounts coming out. Fun fact, Tim, do you want to tell them what your first ever motor swap was?
A B16 and a CRX.
That's pretty sick.
When I was 16, and I am 37.
Yeah, that's crazy, dude. So for those of you that don't know, Tim used to have a pretty gnarly CRX, right? CRX, and he had a JDM B16 swap.
Team with the short trans, so like first and second gear were non-existent. But yeah, I love that thing. I've had 4 CRXs in my life so far.
That's awesome.
So all that's left right now is the 2 motor mounts on the top, so we can disconnect everything else and then hook up the motor, disconnect the motor mounts, and pull the whole thing out.
And that's it.
I just gotta get this shift linkage off, and then see how much we're shaking right now?
Yeah, it's super loose. So yeah, we're getting close. I'll show you guys when we do the engine mounts up top, which you can see one right there and one just directly on the other side. We'll disconnect all the miscellaneous stuff. And
I got one more over here. I didn't know this thing.
Good to go. We are very close. Literally.
And just wire harnesses, radiator lines.
Got a brake, or this is for intake manifold. It's almost time. Okay, literally everything is disconnected besides the motor mounts. We just have to pull these couple bolts out and this thing is ready to be yoinked. We're getting there. We're very, very close. Very exciting. So then we can start planning for everything that we want to do when we put the K-swap in. Can I do this one-handed?
Maybe. Do you need an assist?
No assist. No assist, I got it. Strapped in one-handed, baby. The old D16 is coming out. Okay, Tim bro, I almost gave you a high five with my my bunk finger here.
Come on.
Dude, it's a serious injury.
Gonna fall off?
It really might. That really hurt. D6, I keep wanting to say DE.
Yeah.
D16 is finally out. Very, very excited. Jesus God, I'm gonna fall. I'm gonna show you guys where the hole is in the engine. It's so deep in there. Let me see if I can.
You can
Oh,
see
there it is. Yeah.
It's all up in there.
Right. Oh, there you go. That's the hole right there. Right there. Just blew a big fat chunk out of the block. So that is that's where our damage came from. So D16 is out. If you guys want the turbo kit, that's what I meant, D15, yes. If you guys want the turbo kit, we will be selling the turbo kit. We have everything you need for it and it still does work. So turbo kit is for sale, but we can go ahead and start cleaning up this a little bit and we're gonna put the wheels back on because when the sun goes down, we are going to pressure wash this thing and just get it all cleaned up because it's really gross right now. But step one in K-swapping the EG is complete. And look how beautiful she is. If you guys have any suggestions on what we should do to the K while it's out of the car, let us know down in the comments. Like, we definitely want to do a new valve cover, we're going to do a new intake manifold, but there's any miscellaneous stuff that you guys think that we should do, let us know in the comments so we can do it before we put it in the car and it's all good to go.
A little bit and then we'll back this way.
Okay, as mentioned, I really want to get this car cleaned up. We got the pressure washer out here and we're about to give this thing a good little wash. Now we're gonna do a much more in-depth engine bay wash when we're actually ready to paint this engine bay and prep it and everything. We still have to cut out a lot of metal here to use the new engine mount that we're gonna have for the K24. Today we're gonna be using the Meguiar's ceramic wash and wax. This stuff is amazing if you guys haven't tried it, but we're gonna use it for the engine bay and we're also going to use it for the exterior of the car. This car's been dirty for so long and Tim and I are not going to be working on a dirty car anymore. Meguiar's hybrid ceramic wash and wax brings two unique liquids together in one bucket to deliver results unlike anything you've ever used before. Meguiar's hybrid ceramic wash is blended with slick, low sudsing surfactants to gently lift and wash away dirt and grime. Meguiar's hybrid ceramic SiO2 boost is a wax additive that delivers instant water beading protection. Working together, you get a slick and clean vehicle that beads water like crazy. And it's very simple to use. If you guys are interested in trying out Meguiar's ceramic hybrid wash and wax, I'm going to leave a link to that in the description so you guys can read more about it and try it out for yourself. All right, check her out under the shop lighting. Amazing. Getting better and better every single day. So Tim and I are definitely getting more and more used to working in this shop opposed to our old one, setting up things where we want them. I showed you guys this morning the tables in the back, which are super sick. Also, check out these lights. Look at this. I don't know how to turn them on yet, but oh my god. So rad. We can use these for lights when we're working on the tables back here, or if we need to put one. It's technically for the engine though. You can strap these onto the hood, but very nice like table lights, I guess. That's pretty cool. So we got lots more work to do over in this section obviously, but it's a work in progress and it's really coming together. Okay, so overall very, very successful day working on the EG. D15 is out. If anybody wants the turbo kit, let us know in the comments. But next steps, well, It's kind of like a waiting game now while we wait for our motor mounts. Really, once we get the motor mounts, we can start cutting everything in the engine bay. If I can open this. We can start cutting everything in the engine bay like we need to, and then start prepping this thing to get painted. Also, leave in the comments some engine bay paint colors that you guys would like to see in this thing. I can't decide what to paint it, if we should just do it white, do it black, gray. Give us some suggestions, but once we get our motor mounts, we fit those in here, we can start getting this thing prepped and painted, and then time to drop the engine in. Also guys, Tim built his favorite table and he's super stoked about it. Oh nice, is that what holds the oil right here?
Yeah, whatever you're using, like fuel or anything, I'll just drip down in that hole.
That is sick. And then this is the little canister, and then we have a, oh god, that's the one you lost.
That's the key that I have misplaced.
Tim may or may not have misplaced the key to this table. So
it's somewhere in here.
Our last and final Benpack table has been built. That's everything. Everything has been built.
Yeah, because I got these together.
So we got some wheel rolly things, so when we get the WRX here, we can wheel that bad boy around. We got the whole setup. And then we also have the quick jacks are here somewhere, yeah? Oh, nice.
I haven't taken it out.
Yeah, we haven't cracked these bad boys open yet, but that's going to be a really big game changer too. So, Benpack, thank you guys. You absolutely made our dreams come true. This is amazing, and we can't wait to get started working and setting everything up. I thought we would bring today's video to a close here at what is our very last day at the old shop. This place is completely empty, guys.
Right now, there's hardly anything in here.
Let's just go see. Let's take a look. And we never have to worry about the freaking planes anymore. Holy crap, dude. It brings back memories for when I was like looking at this place to rent it, you know? Holy crap. Literally empty, guys. This is wild. So many builds and memories. This is just like weird. I thought I was going, it's got the echo. I thought I was gonna have like a, I don't know, like a more sad, sentimental reaction to seeing the shop here for the last time, and you know, it's the exact opposite. I am completely content, happy, excited. I have no feelings of, I guess, nostalgia or sad. Like, I'm so pumped to get out of this place. I really thought I was gonna come here today and be like, damn, it's the exact opposite. I don't know, this place means so much to me, and I'm sure so much to you guys. But now that we have the new shop, like, my heart and soul went into that place. And I think the moment we started building that place, all my emotion and all my attachment instantly left this place and went to that dirt lot the moment we broke ground. More of a happy and awesome ending to a story that we can close to open up the next chapter. Very, very pumped. We had so many amazing memories in here. This is where we started all of our very first builds, you know, where I really learned how to work on cars and, you know, gained so much knowledge with having Tim here. This is where Tim started working with me, and, you know, it's crazy, but I'm happy and I'm excited to get out of this place. So take one last look, guys, because we will never, ever see this place again. This is where we are going to be ending today's video. Definitely a bittersweet end to this, but everything's good. I hope you guys have been enjoying the videos at the new shop. Tim and I are absolutely loving it, and I hope you guys are excited for the EG build, because it's going to be sick. We're getting things together. We got everything that we needed ordered. We're just in that waiting stage of getting the last couple of parts that we need in order to move forward with the case swap. Quick finger update. This bad boy is not looking good. That guy is definitely gonna fall off. That hurt like hell. We'll see how that recovers in the next couple of days, but thank you guys very much for watching. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys think of the new shop videos. Also, leave me a hashtag made it to the end if you guys made it this far. Once again, thank you guys. If you have not already, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.